Hi guys. Today I will talk about something very simple. We'll keep this short once again. If you know me for a very long time, there's one book that I always return to, and it's Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now, one of the most confusing chapters is the chapter on sexual transmutation. I don't want to exactly go into the entire thing. It's incredibly complicated to understand. I promise if you reread it a million times, you will understand it. And that's something you should do. You should constantly be rereading it to really understand what he's saying. We won't truly understand something until you repeat it. Repetition is the mother of all learning. The one thing I just want to leave you with here is very simple today. Um, in reading that section, I understood a different part of the story. Napoleon Hill is very practical at the beginning. He says you need to be clear about your goals, use your imagination to imagine the end result, plan things out, work with a group of people, and be persistent in acquiring this goal. Now, the one thing though that happens is towards the end of the book, he gets a little bit more, maybe some will say esoteric, and he talks about the sixth sense. He says that the brain is a broadcasting station and a receiving station for thought. Now, it's very simple. This is how I interpret it. Okay, you want to hold your goal in front of you at all times in your mind as if it has already happened. That's you broadcasting out the finished idea. And as for the receiving station, that's you stimulating your mind so that you can receive from infinite intelligence the how to achieve your goal. Just remember, okay? The brain is a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. What your big goal is, the thing you've never accomplished, it will come to you in a way that you can't see now. That's it. I'll keep it simple today, guys. Have a good day.